So good morning everyone. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay, Maheshwari, Sanjarani, Swati Singh, Vamshi Krishna, Nakshatra, Nandini, Narendra, Krishna, Peraya, Karthik, Murthy, Kishore, Vaishnavi, Jyoti, right, Narla Venkateshwarlu, Tota Krishnamurthy, Ashwareddy, Sanjarani, right, Kiran Rider, Tota Krishnamurthy, Dinesh, still joining. Sujit Reddy, you are new. Ramya, Swati Singh, Preeti. Okay. Kartikeya Karthik, Sai Rohan, Surya Prakash. Okay, welcome. Durgam Gangadhar. Right. Hi, hi. Fine, fine. Sriram. Suma. Yes. Sriram. Ganesh. Sanjay Reddy. Venera. Vamshi. Murali. Kartikeya. Gopalam Sai. After a long time. Abhi. Akshay Reddy. Right. Sujit Reddy. Fine, fine. Sujit Reddy, you are new to my class, I think so. Am I correct? Srinivas Gantala also. Saranya, okay. Right. Ganesh. Today timings actually 9:50. 1 minute is there. Right. Venera Yadav, see the playlist. Yes. First subscribe all of you. Any new viewers are there, Varun Sai and etc. You need to subscribe. Fine, fine, Sanjay Reddy. Right, let us start the problems. Okay, no problem. Ganesh. So inform to your friends also now. As if started just now, I go for 13th problem. Inform to your friends now, so that they will join. No, no, Varun Sai. Okay. Definitely. Tejasvi, you asked the question. This is right. Subscribe first. Suma. Okay. Let us start. Narla Venkateshwar is there. Swati Singh. Chandana. What about Chandana? Yes. Chandana joined. Okay. Peraya. Okay. After actually by 11:20 or 11:30, definitely I will discuss with everybody. Okay. So morning integration, but I changed now today because yesterday I have given the notification. Right. Question number 13. This is part 3 of 3D. Part 3. Okay, I will explain definitely. if 2 comma k comma minus 1 is the centroid of the triangle okay, Tota Krishnamurti, centroid of the triangle with vertices or having vertices 2 minus 1 2 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 4 and 3 comma k comma 1, then k equals to first option 4 by 3, second option 12, third option minus 4, fourth option minus 2. Right. See, 2 comma k comma minus 1 is the centroid. This is the centroid G of the triangle whose vertices 2 comma minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 3 comma minus 4, 3 comma k comma 1. That means centroid of the triangle is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, comma z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. But actually in G we have k value. This k equals to y coordinate we need to write. K is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 write down. That's all. We shall get our answer. That means actually k is the y coordinate of centroid G. That is equal to, we have y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Therefore k equals to, we can write like this, y1 means minus 1 plus y2 minus 3 plus of minus 3 minus 3. Here sorry, y coordinate, exactly correct, yes, y coordinate minus 1 minus 3, here y coordinate is k, right, plus k by 3. Just cross multiply. If you cross multiply, you get 3k equals to minus 4 plus k. Now bring this k this side. Now we get 3k minus k equals to minus 4. 2k equals to minus 4. What is the k value? Minus 2. So that means fourth option is the right option. Absolutely correct. Everybody is correct. Yes. Now let us move to the 14th problem. Right, in a triangle ABC, vertex A, midpoint of BC or 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 5 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2 comma 0. Then centroid is, first option 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1, second option 2 comma 1 comma 1, third option 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, fourth option is 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Right, 14th question. See, in a triangle ABC, vertex A given, midpoint of BC are given. This is vertex A, this is the midpoint of BC. Now we need to find out centroid. So that means, right, now this is triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC, you join AD. Now actually G is the centroid, lies on the median. G divides AD in the ratio 2:1. That means A coordinates are given and D coordinates are given. Now G is the point of trisection of AD. That means we need to divide in the ratio 2:1. That means now actually A coordinates are 1 comma 2 comma 3. D coordinates are 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 comma 0. What is the ratio? 2:1. We need to divide in the ratio 2:1. Its inverse ratio is 1:2. That means multiply this one with 1, multiply this one with 2. What do you get now here? 1 comma 2 comma 3. And next we get here 5 by 2 into 2, 5, minus 5 by 2 into 2, minus 5, 0 into 2, 0. Add and next divide by 3. You get the centroid. Centroid is equal to 5 plus 1, 6 by 3, comma, minus 3 by 3, 0 plus 3, 3 by 3. So we get now this equals to 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Yes, fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. So that means that only I have done here actually. Here G equals to, we can write like this. G equals to 2 times D midpoint plus A by 3. That's only I applied here. Right. Fifteenth question. If the x coordinates of P on the join of Q 2 comma 2 comma 1 and R of 5 comma 1 comma minus 2 is 4. Then Z coordinate is first option minus 1, second option 0, third option 1, fourth option 2. Fourth option 2. Okay, first x coordinates of P on the line join of Q 2, 2, 1 or 5, 1, -2 is 4. Then we need to find out z coordinates. That means actually the P point divides the line segment joining the points Q and R with some ratio, say m is to n. First we need to find out m is to n. So that means already x coordinate is given. Let us say here x coordinate is equal to x. Let us say x is equal to 4 here. Ratio at which P divides QR line segment equals to, we can write like this, x minus x1 is to x2 minus x. That means this is x1, y1, z1, this is x2, y2, z2. X coordinate of P given, that is 4. Substitute here, we get 4 minus x1 is 2, x1 is 2, is 2, x2 is 5, 5 minus 4. That means 2 is to 1. That means now we need to divide the QR in the ratio 2 is to 1 so that we get the P coordinates. Only we need z coordinates, that's all. Z coordinates means actually here see, the Q point is what, 2, 2, 1 and R point is 5, 1, -2. Ratio, dividing ratio is 2 is to 1 means reverse it, 1 and 2 write down. We need only z coordinate. Z coordinate is equal to z coordinate of P equals to, here see, 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into -2, -4 by this 1 plus 2 is 3, -3 by 3, -1. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay, understood now? Right. Nivireddy, okay. Chintu, Murthy, Suma, Deepu, Chintu, okay. Sixteenth question. 16th. If L, M are the feet of the perpendiculars feet of the perpendiculars from 2, 4, 5 to xy plane and yz plane respectively. Then LM means the distance from L to M. So Mohan Kumar sir, permutations and combinations. Okay, Mohan Kumar, you are new, first subscribe. If you subscribe, definitely Ajay Khanna, welcome. Venkateshwarlu, you are also new. Sai Manchala, new. Right. LM is first option 9 root 2, second option 2 root 2, third option root 29, fourth option root 31. Okay. 1 minute, I will come. Sait Manchala, what is your name? Okay. First, let me analyze the problem. Let us analyze the problem, then so that we can find out, attempt the question. See, L is the foot of the perpendicular of 2, 4, 5 on the xy plane. M is the foot of the perpendicular of 2, 4, 5 on yz plane. Then the distance between L and M you need to find out. First L value, M value first. Solution first. L equals to foot of the perpendicular. Foot or projection are same. Foot of the perpendicular from 2, 4, 5 equals to foot of the perpendicular from 2, 4, 5 on xy plane. xy plane. On xy plane z is 0. That means 2, 4, 0. M equals to point. Foot means a point, not distance. Foot of the perpendicular from 2, 4, 5 on yz plane. On yz plane means x is 0. 0, 4, 5. Now we know the L point and M point. LM. Distance we need to find out. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. 4 minus 4 square plus 5 minus y2 z2 minus z1 square and root over. This equals to 4 plus 0 plus 25 root. So this equals to root of 29. That means third option is the right option. Preeti, go back. Right. Okay, thank you. So now thank you for waiting. The power cut was there. Now just we got the current. Okay, 4 plus 0 plus 25 square root. This will be root 29. So third option. Right, thank you. Right. Voice is okay? Krishnamurthy, go back and come. Refresh it. You will get it now. Thank you, Jaya. Right. Okay. Right now, let us move to the next 17th problem. 17th problem. A, B, C are projections of P of 5, minus 2, 6 on coordinate axis. Then the centroid of triangle ABC is okay, might be no problem. First option 10/3 minus 4/3 4. Second option 5/3 minus 2/3 2. Third option 15/2 minus 3 4. Fourth option 5 minus 2 6. Okay, first in this case we need to find out the projections of P on coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis we need to find out. So that means actually here see, first we need to find out here A equals to projection of P on x-axis. See, on x-axis only x coordinate, rest of the coordinate are 0. That means 5, 0, 0. This becomes 0, this becomes 0. B equals to similarly projection of B on y-axis. That will be 0, minus 2, 0. Similarly, C is the projection of P on z-axis. 0, 0, 6. Now this is the A coordinate, B coordinate, C coordinate. So these three projections are the vertices of the triangle ABC. Then centroid of triangle ABC. G equals to, we know, A plus B plus C by 3. So that equals to, we get now 5 by 3. Am I correct? 5 plus 0 plus 0. 5 by 3. This will be minus 2 by 3. And 6 by 3, that will be 2. So that means second option is the right option. Kapileshwar Rao, Kapil. Right. Eighteenth one. If A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to 3, 5, 7 and P, Q are the points on AB such that AP equals to PQ equals to QB, then midpoint of PQ is yes, Kapil. I could recognize. Right. First option 2, 3, 5. Second option 2, 3.5, 5. 3.5 means that is 7 by 2. 2, 4, 5. Fourth option 4, 7, 10. So don't worry, Vamshi. Maybe there, no problem. Let it be. God is great, that's all. So now take the line segment here. Say A point and B point. Now the 2 points are there, the P point and Q point. Actually P point, Q point divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. So the P, Q are called points of trisection. That's why we have one concept here. Midpoint of PQ is same as midpoint of AB. That means you need not find out point of trisection. Directly find out midpoint of AB. That is the answer. So that means now midpoint of PQ is equal to midpoint of PQ equals to A plus B by 2. So that means what are the A coordinates here? A plus B by 2. So we get 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, 7 by 2, 10 by 2. So this equals to 2, 7 by 2 is 3.5, 5. So second option is the right option. So in this case we need not find out points of trisection P, Q values. Just using concept directly we can solve this problem. Even this can be applied for even 2D system also. Even 2D problem also you can apply. Nineteenth one. The harmonic conjugate. The harmonic conjugate the harmonic conjugate of 2, 3, 4 with respect to the points 3, -2, 2 and 6, -17, -4 is first option 18/5, -5, 4/5. Second option 11, -16, 2. Third 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Fourth option 0, 0, 0. Okay, let me explain the concept of this harmonic conjugate. I don't go for in detail because we have the less time. So first we need to find out at what ratio 2, 3, 4 divide the line segment joining the points 3, -2, 2 and 6, -17, -4. First you find out ratio. For example, if the ratio is negative, means 2, 3, 4 divides the points externally. With the same ratio, find the point which divide the given points. So then that point is known as harmonic conjugate of the given point with respect to the given point. So first we need to find out, first of all, see, simply explain first harmonic conjugate. Let me explain first. For example, this is the line segment AB, say for example. Take 2 points for example like this. This is P point. See here we have the Q point. This P, Q are said to be harmonic conjugate if P and Q divides AB in the same ratio. Here P divides AB in the ratio m:n. Here Q divides AB in the ratio -m:n. That's all. But one point divides internally, other point divides externally. That's all. For example, if P divides internally, Q divides externally. Suppose Q divides internally, P divides externally with the same ratio. That is called conjugate points. First, let us solve it now. Okay. So, 19th solution. First step, ratio we need to find out. 2, 3, 4. Say this is x, y, z. Given points. Say 3, -2, 2. And next point is 6, -17, -4. Say this point is P, this point is A, this point is B. This will be x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. See the first step, let me concentrate. First of all, you find like this. Ratio at which P divides AB segment equals to, what is the formula we have? X minus x1 is to x2 minus x. X2 minus x, or we can write y minus y1 is to y2 minus y also, or you can write z minus z1 is to z2 minus z2. So this equals to, now what is x? X is 2. Here x1 is 3, x2 is 6. Substitute. 2 minus x1, 2 minus 3 is 2, x2 is 6 minus x, 6 minus 2. That is actually minus 1 is to 4. That means actually the P point divides externally. That means 1 is to 4 externally. Now what is the conjugate of P means? Harmonic conjugate of P means the point which divides AB 1 is to 4 internally. That we need to find out. So that means harmonic conjugate SC of P equal to Q, which divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 4 internally. So that means Q coordinates is equal to here. So what we need to find out here? 4A, because 4 into A plus B by 4 plus 1 is 5. Let us do it now. So that means 4A, 12 minus 8, 8 plus B. What is B? B coordinates are 6 comma minus 17 comma minus 4 upon 5. Just simplify it. What do you get answer now? 18 by 5, am I correct? Minus 25 by 5 minus 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 by 5. Which is the right option? I need to go back. First option. I will keep for a while, at least 1 minute. You will note down your notes first of all. I don't go for directly 20th question. Yes. See, first find out the ratio at which line segment AB divides. That's minus 1 is to 4. That means P is dividing AB in the ratio 1 is to 4 externally. Now find with the same ratio divide AB internally. Internally means positive we need to take. That's all. So doctor actually has not given the appointment today. Right. So that's why now what I have done here, see, with the same ratio 1 is to 4 I have taken, internally I divided. I got other point. This point is called harmonic conjugate of P with respect to these 2 points. Internally, if you take positive is internally, if you take negative, that is called externally. That's all. Minus 1 is to 4 is, that is negative ratio, that's called externally. Now you make it positive 1 is to 4. Now find the point which divides CAB in the ratio 1 is to 4. That is the harmonic conjugate of P. That's all. You remember like that only. Yes, Q is the harmonic conjugate of P only. What I said. Okay, 20. Let A 4 comma 7 comma 8 B 2 comma 3 comma 4 and C 2 comma 5 comma 7 be the vertices vertices of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. The length of the median AD is length of the median AD we need to find out. Yes, it is positive, so it is internal. Negative means external. That's why I already told you in the initial classes itself. Right now, first option is root 2. Second option is root 77 upon 2. Third option 1 by root 2. Fourth option is root over 89 by 2. Okay. So first let me draw the figure first. This is triangle ABC. Here A coordinates given, B coordinates, C coordinates. We need to find out length of the median AD. So that means D point is the midpoint of BC. Join AD. Here A point is known, but D point is not known. D is the midpoint of BC means first we need to find out midpoint of B and C. Then the distance between A point and D point find out, that will be the length of the median. So first planning is to find midpoint of BC. D equals to midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. That equal to B plus C by 2. That equal to B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2 means 2 plus 2 is 4 by 2 is 2 comma 5 plus 3 8 by 2 4 7 plus 4 is 11 by 2 2 comma 4 comma 11 by 2. Now the distance between A point and this point we need to find out. AD distance 4 minus 2 whole square x2 minus x1 square plus 7 minus 4 square y2 minus y1 square z2 minus z1 square 8 minus 11 by 2 whole square. AD square and first, no problem. This is 4 plus 9 plus this will be 16 minus 11 is 5 by 2 whole square, that is 25 by 4. Okay, this will be how much? 13 plus 25 by 4 equals to 52 plus 25. 52 plus 25 is 77 by 4. AD we need to find out. AD equals to root over 77 by 4. That is root 77 by 2. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay, are you getting? My voice is audible to you or not? Now you need to chart. No. One minute. Okay. Okay, you are doing your work. So my phone has been struck. Now okay? Right. So now the question number 21. Question number 21. I don't have the idea. Rohan Kumar, you are the new one. First subscribe. Right. The area of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 1 is first option is 1 by 4, second option 3 by 2, third option is root of 3 by 2, fourth option minus root of 3 by 2. Varun, why did you get this doubt? I will tell you one thing. This is universally applicable. Even you go to Kashmir to Kanyakumar, same syllabus. Okay. Why did you get this type of doubts? Okay. Now take the triangle. Let us consider triangle. So let us consider triangle ABC. Okay. A, B, C. So A is the actually here. This is A, for example. Say this is B. This is C. First find AB. That means AB vector. Find out AB bar. AB bar is equal to, you can write 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2. That means position vector of B minus position vector of A. So that means AB components are 0, 1, 2. Now AC find out. Position vector of C minus position vector of A. That will be 1 minus 1 0. Now area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod AB cross AC. So this we can write. Say first equation 1 this is. First let us find out AB cross AC. AB cross AC equal to here det of I, J, K. AB components are being 0, 1, 2. That becomes second row. third row becomes the components of AC that are being 1, minus 1, 0. So I multiplied by, you get 0 plus 2 and minus of j multiplied by 0 minus 2 plus k multiplied by here 0 minus 1. This equals to 2i plus 2j minus k. Now its modulus find out. Therefore now delta is equal to, you can write half modulus of this vector. Modulus of 1 means root of, you can write 4 plus 1, that is 9, will be 3. 3 by 2 square units. Second option is the right option. Second option is the yes. This class is very useful for NDA, SCRA, Railway Board examinations, all sort of examinations. I have plenty of examinations in my mind, but I can't read out all these the examinations. Ever, even after completion of your BTech course also, you need to come to my channel and you need to check all these chapters itself only. This will be useful to your, even I can say one word, you will wonder, it will be useful to your grandsons and granddaughters also. That's all. Not only you. Twenty-two. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then the centroid of triangle with the vertices alpha, beta, gamma, alpha and gamma, alpha, beta is, this is the question. Who is Mr. Murthy Surya Prakash? Mine. So many Murthis are there. Minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So after completion of the syllabus, definitely I will give the oldest textbooks that might have printed before independence, even before, I think so, before 1858, 1858. Those books, from that books only, still everybody is actually following the shortcuts. I will give the both. I will recommend. I will give the reference to the books also. Those books only. Everybody actually will extract the all the shortcuts from the different chapters from those books itself only. But now I don't disclose. Definitely I will disclose on fine morning to you. That's why only I told you this is applicable for till the end of the universe. One by three, 2 by 3, third option is 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Fourth option 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. So in this problem one logic is there. So in this problem one logic is there. The centroid of the triangle with alpha comma beta comma gamma, beta comma gamma comma alpha, and gamma comma alpha comma beta means alpha plus beta plus gamma by 2, alpha plus beta plus gamma by 2, alpha plus beta plus gamma by 2 means 3 coordinates must be identical, same. That's why third option is the right option. That's all. Third option is the right option. So without any effort we can do it. So but let us solve it now. It's a connection problem. 22nd solution. Some interesting points also I will discuss in this one. Please all of you carefully observe. Though you know the answer, please try to concentrate. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Roots alpha, beta, gamma. Sum of the roots S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to, we can write minus b by a. Here b means minus 2, minus of minus plus 2 by x square coefficient 2. Enough. Now centroid G is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3. They are cyclic. So alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3. You can check it in your question. Because I don't have the question, you might have noted down. Alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3 equals to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. That's why only I told you they must be same. All the coordinates must be. Varun Sai, better now the time is less, very less, so that better you can purchase Harian books, or even you can purchase any previous Eamcet questions first practice, because we are doing all the problems. Better purchase previous Eamcet question books and practice it. Yes. So now third option, because see alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta, gamma, they are cyclic. Definitely they form a equilateral triangle. That is also one of the shortcut here. One of the observations you need to do. The triangle formed by alpha, beta, gamma, alpha and gamma, alpha, beta is a equilateral triangle. Absolutely. Okay, don't worry. After completion of the syllabus, definitely I will give the even where shall we extract from the shortcut books also I will inform to you. Don't worry. 23. Not 23rd exam date. I do 23rd question. Let PR equals to R is the subscript, XR, YR, ZR, where R equals to 1, 2, 3, B 3 points, 3 points. Instead of 3 points, general point is given. So Kirtana Kotla, you might be new, because my intention is that try to complete all the syllabus with all models. So that's why definitely I will complete the syllabus. Trust me, that's all. Where x1, x2, x3 separate, y1, y2, y3, that means y coordinates, z1, z2, z3 are each in geometry progression with the same common ratio, then P1, P2, P3 are first point collinear, second point coplanar, third form equilateral triangle, fourth lie on a circle. This is the question. Varun Sai, no classes actually. Okay. So first, here P1 means first point is x1 comma y1 comma z1. First let us write given data. P2 means x2 y2 z2. Point 3. P3 means x3 y3 z3. Understood now all of you? Now what is given here? One condition is given. Actually x1, x2, x3 are in geometric progression. y1, y2, y3 are geometric progression. z1, z2, z3 are geometric progression with the same common ratio. So that means now we need to find out P1, P2, P3 are collinear or coplanar or equilateral triangle, lie on a circle. Option 1 is absolutely correct. Okay. Now let us move to next page. 23rd solution. Let us say x1 equals to AR, x2 equals to AR square, x3 equals to AR cube. Common ratio is say R. y1 equals to br, y2 equals to br square, because first term say b, common ratio is same, y3 equals to br cube, z1 equals to cr, z2 equals to cr square, sorry, 1 minute, you say like this. Okay, ar square, ar, this will be ar square, br square, z3 is equal to cr square. Find the det of this one, x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3. First det find, equals to x1 y1 a b c, ar br cr, ar square br square and cr square. Det from second row, 1 minute I will come. Okay, from second row take r common, from third row take r square common. You get like this, r cube det of abc, abc, abc. All rows are identical, that's why this will be 0. Therefore collinear, this answer, collinear. So I have taken actually here only 1 point, understood now? So coplanar means we need 3 vectors, here not 3 vectors, we get only 2 vectors. సార్ నమస్తే, నేను సార్ ఆన్లైన్లో ఉన్నాను సార్, లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్లో ఉన్నాను, చెప్పండి సార్. హలో, okay, 24th question. 24th question. The point on x-axis which is equidistant 2 comma -1 comma -4 and -4 comma 3 comma 0 is first option 13/3 comma 0 comma 0, second point 16/3 comma 0 comma 0, third option -1/3 comma 0 comma 0, fourth option 26/3 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, so now the point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points we need to find out. That means, for example, you take like this, P is the required point. On x-axis means that point will be a comma 0 comma 0. On x-axis y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Am I correct now? Now a coordinates are 2 comma -1 comma -4. Now the b coordinates -4 comma 3 comma 0. Both points are located equidistant from P. That means PA equals to PB. So we can write here PA square equals to PB square. PA square is equal to, you can write a minus 2 whole square x2 minus x1 square. Distance between these two, 0 minus 1 square 1 plus 0 minus 4 square 16 equals to PB square. A plus 4 square plus 0 minus 3 square 9 plus 0. Now we can write like this. Bring a minus 2 whole square this side, 9 this side. We can write a plus 4 whole square minus a minus 2 whole square equals to 17 minus 9. This we can write a square plus 8a plus 16 minus a square plus 4a minus 4 equals to 8. Actually we get here a square minus 4a plus 4, minus is there. So a square gets cancelled. 12a plus 12 equal to 8. Now 12a equals to, we have minus 4. A equals to minus 1/3. That means third option is the right option. Minus 1/3 comma 0 comma 0. So that means here coordinates becomes minus 1/3 comma 0 comma 0. This is required point. A equals to 2 comma 3 comma minus 1. B equals to 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. C is a point C is a point on y-axis such that angle ABC equals to pi by 2. Then C equals to, what are the C coordinates? What are the C coordinates? Okay, thank you. Right. First option 0, 3 by 2, 1. Second one 0, 9 by 4, 1. Third option 0, minus 9 by 4, 1. Fourth option 1, minus 9 by 4, 0. That means the point is y-axis, means on y-axis x will be 0, y coordinates will be 0. That means either first option or second option or third option may be correct. So let us find out first. See, if you construct the triangle, then you will get it. A, B, C. You join this one, no problem. This is 90 degrees. A, B, C. This is C. The C coordinates are on y-axis 0, B, 0 right up. We need to find out 0, B, 0. But A coordinates are given what? 2, 3, minus 1. B coordinates are what? 1, minus 1, 2. That means AB is perpendicular to BC. AB is perpendicular to BC means we can apply direction ratios concept. First find out drs of AB. drs of AB is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 means 1, 4, z2 minus z1 minus 3. This is direction ratios of AB. Direction ratios of BC right now. Direction ratios of BC. You can take direction ratios of BC. Direction ratios of BC is minus 1, 0 minus 1, B plus 1, minus 2. Here actually AB perpendicular to BC. This is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. You get this condition. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 must be 0. This condition we need to apply. Yes, dot product also 0. That also we can do it. No problem. Dot product is same 0. So that means AB vector and BC vector dot product also 0. That also we can apply. So that means actually we can write 1 into minus 1 plus 4b plus 4 plus 6 equals to 0. 4b equals to, we have minus 9. B equals to minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4. The point on the y-axis. The point on the y-axis means C coordinate will be like this. 0, minus 9 by 4, 0. That means no option is there. Third option we need to change. That's why this should be 0. Sorry, color I need to change. This is 0. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Yes, you can apply AB square plus BC square is equal to CA square also. You will get it, don't worry. You will get it. Even 3 ways you can solve. Vector method or DC's and DR's method, or even Pythagoras theorem also you can apply. Right. Twenty-sixth problem. The distance between the origin and the centroid of the tetrahedron whose vertices are 0, 0, 0, A0, 0, 0, B0, 0, 0, C is the distance between origin and centroid of the tetrahedron whose vertices are given. Okay. Vivek Vivi first is need to subscribe. Venkata Raghuram Gonela, yourself also, you need to subscribe. First option, root of a square plus b square plus c square. Second option, root of a square plus b square plus c square upon 2. Third option, root of a square plus b square plus c square upon 4. Fourth option, 4 times root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. First we need to find out the centroid of the tetrahedron. Centroid of the tetrahedron is formula capital A plus capital B plus capital C plus capital D by 4. For example, this is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. So that means what do you get now here? You get A by 4, B by 4 and C by 4. Distance from origin to this point, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square. Distance from origin to this point. Now OG you need to find out. First OG square read on. That will be a square by 16 plus b square by 16 plus c square by 16. That is a square plus b square plus c square by 16. Now OG is square root of a square plus b square plus c square upon root of 16 is 4. That's why third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. (27) If the centroid of the tetrahedron tetrahedron is 0, -1, 5/2 and 3 vertices are -2, 3, 4, 3, -4, 2, 2, -5, 1. Then the fourth vertex of tetrahedron is గగన్ కుమార్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా? ఓకే, ఎందుకు? ఆయన తెలుగు రైట్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాను కదా, సరిపోతుందా? రైట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడే వరకు డైవర్ట్ అయిపోయింది. నౌ ఐ నీడ్ టు స్విచ్ ఓవర్ టు నౌ ఇంగ్లీష్. -3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5. Third option 0, -1, 5. Fourth option 5, -1, 0. Thank you. Right. So now centroid of the tetrahedron is 0, -1, 5/2. Centroid is given. This is G. Vertices A, B, C. Then fourth vertex D we need to find out. So that means D equals to, we have 4 centroid minus A plus B plus C. This is a formula. Say equation 1. First let us find out, I am writing very big size letters, A plus B plus C. Add all these 3 vectors, vertices. First vertex, second vertex, third vertex. What do you get now? -2 plus 3. -2 plus 2 cancel, 3, -5, -4, -9, -6. Next 3 plus 4, 7. Now D, 4G, 0, -4, 4 into 5/2, 10, and -3, -6, 7. So we get now okay, Yadav. 0 minus 3 equals to -3, -4 minus of -6, 2, 3, -3, 2, 3. Am I correct? First option? Right. Thank you. Today actually our channel reached to 80k subscribers. So with the help of you people only, with the help of your cooperation, the total credit goes to you itself only. Because you people, that's why I told you everybody should become one of the volunteers to our group, our SAKALAVIDYA group. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye, see you. So now we shall continue in the evening session. Thank you, bye, have a nice day. Yes. Okay. I told you na. This credit goes to you also. You people also. Right. That you need to do it. With the help of you people, definitely will reach to so many people. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. Yes, continue. Continue. Continue.